So in this video I will introduce my pharmacy software. So you can see this is my pharmacy software. I just log in this software, this admin, which is called software username, and password is also admin. So I can log in this software, which is City Hospital Pharmacy. So you can see that here is a 6 tabs and 6 button: sales button, product button, customer button, supplier button, and sales report button. If I this is the dashboard button, which is used to sell sales, product, customers, suppliers, and sales reports. And also here is a logout button. So first of all we will go to sell button. I have go to sell button. I go to, so I just click this. Here is a one product, which is Panadol, but and you can see select this product and easily add, and this product is add into menu. So you can easily save this product, and this product price is 50, quantity is 1. I want to update this quantity to 3, 4, 5 and 8. Just want to add this product. You can see this is cancel, and I cancel this product, and I will go to here and select paracetamol and increase the product quantity. I go to 3, and you can see that quantity is 3 and price is for 50 rupees, and amount is 150. Profit is 10, and every product is 10 rupees profit. So you can see that total profit is 30 rupees. So I just save this product, and you can, what is the customer name? So customer name is walk-in customer, and you can see type of walk-in customer, and just the amount of customer he will pay. So just you can 500, and just save. You can print option, change is 350, the cash is 500. So total bill is 150. You can change 350, and also print this bill. I just print this bill. You can see this is the print bill, and you can print this into thermal printer. You can use thermal printer for print this bill. So I just close. So you can see just I have one product. I have just only one product. You can see how can you add the product in the software. So go to product and add product name. You can see type here is a, and I want to example is Panadol and ABC. You can see generic name and company name. Then category, what is the product, about descriptions, about the tablet, about the product. You can type here is a description in about the tablet. This is for fever and paracetamol. So you can see type here just description and arrival date, expiry date. Selling price, what is the selling price? So selling price is 100, original price is 40. So 60 rupees you have profit of this product. Supplier name, I don't have supplier, just save this product. Quantity, I have 100 quantity. So you can, what is the quantity of this product, you can, so you can just save this software. So you can see this is two product, Panadol and Panadol. So you can, this is also Panadol, this is also Panadol. Customer, if you have any customer, your regular customer, your walk-in customer, you can add customer name, customer address, customer contact number, and save this. So customer name is, address, phone number, product name, total bill, and you can also product name, and total bill is 1200, and just save this. So you can see, and this customer have total bill is 1200 total bill of this customer. customer name is Baba. Supply, you can see here is supplier. So supplier, add supplier, which is your supplier, and supplier name is Babar. Supplier address, person and contact number, and save this. So this is supplier, and this type is sale report. You can report monthly report of this software. You can, what is the sale report, inventory report, and how many profit, how many loss. You can see simple sale report of this software. So I am go to sell Panadol. Just save this, and you can see, and save this, and you can print the bill. Product name, add product. You can see this is one supplier. I have just add supplier, and this is one supplier. So you can easily add and delete product, and easily use this software. This is very secure and easily installation this software in your PC. This is totally based on medical software. If you want to, so you can contact me. I will provide you total and totally, and I will give you also source code and exe file. So you can easily implement this software from MySQL in your PC. So and you also log out this software, and you can see this is log out.